Start by taking your cube and gently stretch it lengthwise. Object mode, of course. We're not animals. Make sure it's nicely subdivided, like a well-cut vegetable. Now, fold in a cast modifier and assign it an object. I used a sphere, but feel free to experiment. Once seasoned, you can hide the sphere. It has infused its essence. We no longer need to see it. Pay attention to the factor in the cast modifier. I've keyframed it for that slow, simmering transformation. I also keyframed the cube scale. It adds that extra layer of flavor to the morph. This animation is a fusion dish built on the interplay of several modifiers. Let's turn on Subdivision und Cast for a preview. See how it starts to deform? That animated scale adds a lovely bit of drama to the dish. Feel free to play with positive and negative values on the cast factor, like adding a bit more spice or sweetness to taste. Next, between the cast and subdivision layers, insert a Simple Deform modifier. It's the twist, literally. Modifier order matters, like in a good recipe. Follow this sequence exactly for best results. Set the Simple Deform to twist mode and keyframe the angle for that satisfying swirl. Time for the garnish. Blend two materials together. You can use something off the shelf from Blender Kit or create your own homemade blend. Mix them using a mix shader node. Yes, it's totally keyframeable in case you want to serve different flavors over time. Just hover your mouse over the value field in the shader and press I. Voila, instant flavor lock-in. Bon appetit, sweetheart. Have fun cooking this one up in Blender.